Grasscity online Headshop is one of the best places to find everything for your smoking needs. At Grasscity you will find everything from bongs and water pipes to bubblers, glass pipes, vaporizers, herb grinders, hand pipes, rolling papers and more. Quality and care is of the utmost importance to Grasscity, and they strive to ensure that every customer not only finds the unique pieces you are looking for, but every item is carefully shipped discreetly to destinations worldwide for free on orders over $50. Grasscity has a large selection. Unlike other online head shops that only offer a few bowls and bongs, you will find everything you are looking for and more, and you will be 100% satisfied with your purchase every time. One unique aspect of Grasscity that really sets them apart is the forum they have for members to talk about their cannabis grows, get help growing, or just chat about their latest vaporizer, dabbing, or whatever else floats your boat. If you are looking for the best head shop online, then look no further than Grasscity for all your smoking needs. To see the large selection Grasscity has to offer, click on the link in the description of this video now.